Take a square sheet of paper and fold it diagonally. Then fold this point like this. Now fold this point onto the upper one. Repeat for the other side. Open. Then open this part and fold it onto itself like this. This crease should be very easy to make. Repeat for the other side. This is the shape you should get. Hold it correctly with the opening facing downward. Take this point and fold it onto the center line like this. Repeat for all 4 sides. Open this part and fold it inward along the central line. Repeat for this side. Flip and repeat for this side. Now fold this part inward on itself, like this. Repeat for the 3 remaining sides. Fold this point downward as much as you can along the center line. Repeat for the 3 remaining sides. Then open like this to finish your beautiful lotus flower-shaped box.